Google Cloud Next on Air is on now. New content every Tuesday. Watch anytime, on demand. Make a playlist. Watch what you want, when you want. You decide what's next.
Now that you have all your important data securely stored in the cloud, how do you generate the insights you need from your data instantly and at scale? This week on Google Cloud Next 20 on Air Casablanca's podcast, we unlock the secret to simplifying data analytics. I am Abdurrahman Jaiz.
And I'm Maryam Naim. Today we are introducing our latest innovation in Google Cloud Smart Analytics platform. Learn how big companies like Procter & Gamble are using Google Cloud to accelerate their data-driven digital transformation. Like a lot of businesses, they are using data for descriptive and diagnostic purposes when it comes to customer behavior.
We've got more than 40 breakouts for you to explore this week, including awesome new features to help you manage BigQuery, Looker's roadmap, 2020 and beyond, and don't sweat the big stuff. Make it Google's problem.
Remember to hit that rate button and tell us how we are doing.
We're now more than halfway through our 9-week series. If you've missed any of it, relax. It's all available on video, on demand, so you can build your own curated playlist and watch at your convenience.
Wondering how to move and manage large amounts of data in your enterprise?
We'll answer that in the next week's database management keynote with Penny Averill, the Director of Product Management at Google Cloud.
And remember, new team podcast content drops every Sunday at 10 p.m. Moroccan time.
So join us right here again next week. Now, let's get you started on your next on-air extended podcast experience.
And please tell us what you are thinking. Join the conversation on social media using hashtag Google Cloud Next and hashtag GDG Casablanca. Come, connect with us, engage with us, discover with us at Google Cloud Next on Air.
Hi everyone. Thank you for joining us today at Next On Air Extended Casablanca. This week, we are going to focus on data analytics.
We are going to start with an overview of the portfolio, highlighting some of the new product launches. We will also talk about the strategic priorities and what's next for data analytics at Google Cloud. Throughout the week, we've heard from the Google team about the roadmap and the under-the-hood technical details about their product. We also heard some of their customers and partners telling their story about their data journey with Google Cloud. So let's get going.
Big data is in our DNA. In fact, it is a part of our mission statement to manage and organize the world's information. There are many Google products that handle massive amount of data. Over the past 20 years, to support these products and their users, Google have built a powerful data analytics platform. This platform is now available to all the cloud customers Their data analytics platform offers a comprehensive set of analytics services, everything from data collection to processing, analysis, and activation.
In the last year, they have added a number of new services: Cloud Composer, their workflow engine, Cloud Data Fusion, a visual IoT system, Cloud Catalog, a meta database management service. We are also really excited to have a looker join the family. Our existing products like BigQuery Dataflow and DataProc added exciting new features. Now, good tools are only one part of the story. Without data, analytics is not very meaningful, and that's why they spend a lot of time making sure data is readily available to the customers.
Yes, this includes various Google data sources, Google Analytics, search trend, maps, and mobility data, data from various operational databases in Google Cloud, Cloud SQL, Bigtable, Firebase, etc. Data from external sources, as for example, SaaS, and third-party applications like Salesforce, Adobe, and SAP. Ready availability of valuable data is a big reason why customers come to Google Cloud for their analytics needs. Well, they have the tool, they have the data. How do we translate that to driven businesses outcomes and do that quickly?
That's where the solution come into the picture. They are codifying common use cases in various different industries into solution blueprint. Customer can begin their journey with this blueprint and build custom application and solution in a matter of days, not even months. This accelerate time to an insight and time to value. Let us now talk about their strategy going forward. The vision is to build an enterprise class analytics platform, an analytics platform that the customer can depend on for the most demanding mission critical workload. And they want the platform to be open, intelligent, and flexible.
Let us walk you through this. Why open? As a question. So first, well, the customers don't want to be in a walled garden. They want choice, both first party and partner services. Second, they want portability so that they can move into the cloud easily and migrate out of they want to. Uh, Third, they want support for hybrid and multi-cloud. Speaking of multi-cloud, in a recent gathering survey, and fourth, uh, 80% of public cloud users indicated that they use multiple cloud providers and will continue to do so.
As you know, they are big proponents of multi-cloud and believe that multi-cloud is the future. That is why we are really, really excited to have Looker join the family. It is truly a hybrid and a multi-cloud business intelligence platform that run on Google, iOS, Azure, and also on premises. So, Abdurrahman, can you tell us what is Looker?
Looker helps you create semantic models and data API on all your data across cloud and on-prem. So you can use this to build interactive dashboards, custom workflows, and applications.
Oh, exciting.
We are also really excited to introduce BigQuery Omni. Many of you have used it and love BigQuery in general, but the flagship data house exceptional. Developers have asked if they can make it available on AWS and Azure, and I think it can happen.
Yeah, sure. BigQuery is also now available on iOS and for customer testing, and it is coming to Azure soon. With BigQuery Omni, they are breaking down the data silos. No matter what the data is, Google, as Azure, you will be able to query it using the same familiar BigQuery UI in standard SQL. Powered by Anthos, it is the first fully managed multi-cloud data warehouse from a major public cloud vendor. Everyone wants to use intelligence services infused with artificial intelligence and ML. They have some of the most advanced AI and machine learning technologies in the world. What is unique about the approach is that AI and machine learning augmented analytics. It is what they are making it seamless. They've seamlessly integrated more sophisticated IML technologies into the system, tools, and processes so that the users don't have to learn anything new to take advantage of them.
It is a huge plus for the adoption of AI and ML. So let us give you an example. Let's take a look at the BigQuery ML. Uh, in general, it allows you to build custom machine learning models using standard SQL with data already stored in the BigQuery. So data analytics can build sophisticated models and use them for inferencing using simple SQL without having to learn anything new.
I know, but how awesome is that? They are also taking it a
Yeah.
step further. They are using these models to build a solution that solve real business problem. Like I can think about recommendation system, for example, customer segmentation, anomaly detection, and forecasting. One of the solutions they are launching this week is anomaly detection, actually, and it has use cases in different industries, as for example, flagging fraudulent stock transaction or money transfer in the financial industry, and maybe detecting all traffic patterns between a pair of senders and receiver in
Yeah,
telecom.
that's flexible. They have a diverse customer base. They are in different industries and have different use cases and different business models. And they want choice and they want flexibility in how they use the product and also flexibility in pricing models. They want also to meet the customers where they are. Let us elaborate with an example. A lot of customers use BigQuery. Their use cases are different, and so are their access and analysis patterns. For example, data scientists want to access data stored in the BigQuery directly using the storage API, and data analysts likes the SQL interface. In other hand, business analysts accesses BigQuery through their favorite BI tool like Looker and Tableau, and they have now added a natural language interface to BigQuery.
Nice. Actually, this kind of flexibility, is what the customers are looking for. That's why we are really excited about data Q&A. All business users, no matter what, are met. For example, call centers, trader and stock exchange. We now have the ability to use the power of BigQuery. It is truly democratization of analytics. We talk about a lot of cool things, but those only matters if the platform is dependable. That is why they are lesser focused on availability.
They have just announced four nines graduated SLA for BigQuery, best in the industry, of course. The platform offers scalability and security that meet the requirements of the most demanding workloads and compliance and governance at the same time. Uh, Also, it governs the control required in the regulated industries like finance and the healthcare.
But the best testament to their proven dependability is the adoption of the service by the customers. The largest enterprise in every major industry segment use the analytics service. And it is not just the big enterprise, customers big and small, and customers all over the world are using their services in increased numbers. But instead of us talking about their customers, let's hear from one of their very, very important customer.
ATB Financial is a full-service financial institution based in Alberta, Canada. We offer the full breadth of banking and financial services to our customers, and we are very passionate about ensuring that Albertans are successful. So as ATB looks to modernize our entire infrastructure, including our SAP banking systems, how do we still provide reliable services to our customers, but also be much more agile in our ability to meet those customer demands? We needed to partner with companies like Google Cloud that can actually deliver on allowing us to be much more forward-focused. Frankly, we just like the partnership that Google Cloud has struck with SAP with respect to operating S/4HANA databases on Google Cloud. We think it's actually leading the industry, especially given the virtual machines and the capabilities that are offered versus bare metal installs that a lot of the other cloud providers are providing with HANA. And so by moving to Google Cloud, we see ourselves being able to take advantage of not having to worry about the infrastructure and just operating the systems to the best of their ability. As we finally went live with our S/4HANA implementation on Google Cloud, it was a non-event, which is actually music to my ears because those non-events are actually evidence that we haven't disrupted the business in a negative way. In addition to seeing tremendous improvements in month-end processing, end-of-day processing, we've seen orders of magnitude in terms of reduction in time. We're starting to see metrics on the usage of the systems that we just haven't been able to get at before, which is going to allow us to better operate, have a more cost-effective overall solution. We've got so much more capability now. We're seeing the benefits of the performance that Google Cloud offers. We're seeing tremendous ability for us to move more quickly to meet our business objectives.
That is a great testimony of customers of this service. Unfortunately, we've come to an end. But we brought you our 5 must-watch session from this week data analytics of Google Cloud Next OnAir.
What's new and what's next in smart analytics is the keynote with the Google Cloud's Debanjan Saha and PNG Vittorio Cretella. See how Google Cloud Platform stripes, outliers, and complexity so you can analyze data seamlessly in a multi-cloud world.
Could your warehouse use an update? Catch the demo, modernize your data warehouse with BigQuery for infos on using advanced analytics to forecast demand and optimize your operation in real time.
Pair that demo with the breakout. What's new in BigQuery, Google Cloud's modern data warehouse, to hear from expert Googlers about the latest future innovations. The case for product inclusion 2.0, led by Amy Jean, highlights how they are expanding their DEI practices to create more inclusive products for everyone. If you're an enterprise developer looking for deep learning, the Explore page is for you. Click on the Learn tab to explore the Learning Hub, study jams, talks by DevRel, and training and certifications, and of course Q&A.
New Team Cloud Next OnAir content dropped every Tuesday at 9 a.m. Pacific time throughout September 8th. And if you missed that, you can just tune in every Sunday. New team recap of the Cloud Next OnAir content dropped every Sunday at 10 p.m. Moroccan time, just like today. And if you missed any of this, just relax. It's all available on video on demand and on all our social media, or go to the Cloud Next OnAir official website, and you will find on-demand videos there. So you can build your own playlist and you watch it on your convenience. And at the end, we shall hope that we will keep this conversation going. We would like you to use the hashtag Google Cloud Next in hashtag GDG Casablanca. See you next week and goodbye. Have a great
Google Cloud Next OnAir is on now. New content every Tuesday. Watch it anytime, on demand. Make a playlist. Watch what you want, when you want. You decide what's next.
Feedbacks.